Yes, hello everyone. How are you? You good? Here we go. In our today's issue, I'm going to share you about file management, and secondly, we're gonna to deal about the difference between file and the folder. So sorry for system interruption. So what is file management? Before I get to our topic, before saying further more about file management, file and the folder, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. So, what is file management? File management it's the process of knowing how to control your file. So, in order to share your file, in order to add your file, you should have to know where is your file, from where you're gonna to take, how to manage it, how to control it. That is the basic and the major thing right now. So, simply you can say file management is the process of creating your file, renaming your file, updating and modifying your file, deleting your file, and protecting your file from what? From the third party or from the hacker. Your file should have to be when your file is under your control, and if it is managed by you, it isn't going to be accessed by others. It isn't going to be taken by others. So that is all about what file management. Okay, this point is very important right now. In this time, each and every people should have to know how to manage, how to take care of your file. You should have to know about that. Okay, this is the first one. Let we pass into the second one. The second one is the difference between file and the folder. You know, these words are what we are familiar with these words. But what is what is the basic difference between file and the folder? Folder is a container. What it contains? Two or more files. You know that it contains something. The things that were contained in a folder is called a file. So folder is a container of two or more files. Sometimes it also contain what? It also contain folder. Another folders can be included in another folder. Okay, that is folder. For this folder has their own level. Sometimes you can call it a main folder and the subfolder. Okay, so when it is a content, you can say it main one. When it's content, it can be called as a subfolder. What is file? File is a single element, it's a single unit. Okay, so when we say file, file is a container of file data and information. It's a collection of data and information. That means data is a raw fact, but information is a thing that can be simply understandable by human. So that is the difference between what file. So file, simply you can say file is an actual data, but folder it is the content. So in today's issue, we discuss about what file management is and the file and the folder. File management is a process of taking care of your file and your folder and the information. But when you refer to file, file is an actual data, folder is a content of different file. It's all about our today's issue. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.